Baka mayroon pa kayong gustong ibintang sa akin. Kasi yung mga laglag wallet nyo, kahit anong reklamo nyo, hindi ko ni dinugasan kahit 5 duling. Oh yes, I've been to Yen's apartment alone, yes. Bakit? Because she asked me a favor. Can you get Ginger to my house? But you know what? I've been there inside, only there in front of entrance to get the Ginger and go back again to her restaurant. Honest is, I don't want to do that. But I need to do because she asked me a favor. As a Filipina, as being me. Yes, because she is my friend. I said, yes, okay, it's okay. But you know what, Anis, is, Tuyen, you cannot do that because the owner of the apartment is not your apartment. It's another person. If they accuse me to stolen something, they need to be sure that I'm in front of Pau, that they can put me a lie test before they accuse me for so many things. And I'll never go searching inside to Yen's house and stolen something. These clothes, she said she will give it away to the used boutique. That's why you can get what you want, she said, but don't accuse me for so many stupid criminals in this fucking shit country because I don't have plan to stolen something. A small amount is nothing. And I know how to buy my own clothes. Even I'm there in the Philippines. I'll never stolen other person clothes so I can wear something nice for myself. Do you understand that? Before you attacking me, I will slap this to your face. Puking ina nyo. Wala kayong silbi sa mundo.